Assalamu alaikum. Land Acquisition Act 1894. Question number 1. Whenever appears to the provincial government that land in any locality is needed or likely to be needed for any public purpose, a notification to that effect shall be published in. इसका correct answer है जनाब official gazette. Question number 2. The collector shall cause public notice of the acquisition of land to be given at. इसका correct answer है convenient place. Question number 3. In case of dispute so as to the sufficiency at the amount so paid, the dispute shall be referred to collector and chief revenue officer. Question number 4. Objection may be raised within the office on land acquisition. इसका correct answer है 30 days. Question number 5. A declaration of acquisition of land shall be made to that effect under the signature of. इसका correct answer है Secretary to Provincial Government. Question number 6. The declaration of acquisition of land shall be the conclusive evidence that the land is needed for. इसका आंसर है पब्लिक पर्पस और फॉर अ कंपनी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. आफ्टर द पब्लिकेशन ऑफ डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ एक्विजिशन ऑफ लैंड द लैंड शैल बी एक्वायर्ड बाय. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. द डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ एक्विजिशन ऑफ लैंड शैल बी मेड. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है विद इन 6 months. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. The award shall be announced by the collector within 6 months. Question number 10. The whole process of acquisition of land from the date of notification should be completed within a 6 month. Question number 11. The collector shall give immediate notice of his award to. इसका आंसर है person interested. Question number 12. Any correction in award shall be made at any time by the collector application of any party. Question number 13. Inquiry may be adjourned by the collector to the date fixed by him. इसका answer. Question number 14. The collector shall have powers to summon and enforce attendance of witness and production of document in the manner provided in. करेक्ट आंसर है CPC 1908 कोड ऑफ सिविल प्रोसीजर 1908. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. द कलेक्टर शैल बी एम्पावर्ड टू टेक पोजीशन व्हेन. इसका आंसर है बिफोर ऑब्जेक्शन रेज बाय पार्टी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. कलेक्टर शैल नॉट टेक पोजीशन ऑफ लैंड विदाउट गिविंग नोटिस ऑफ एटलीस्ट 48 hours. Question number 17. A person interested who has not accepted award may refer the matter to the आंसर कोर्ट अदालत में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. अ पर्सन इंटरेस्टेड मे रेफर द मैटर टू द कोर्ट थ्रू एप्लीकेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. द कलेक्टर शैल स्टेट फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोर्ट सिचुएशन एंड एक्सटेंट ऑफ द लैंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. द कोर्ट शैल कॉज अ नोटिस ऑफ डे फॉर प्रोसीडिंग टू द. आंसर एप्लीकेंट और कलेक्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. A person interested proceeding of the land acquisition matter shall take place. दिलचस्पी रखने वाला शख्स जमीन के असूल के मामले में कार्रवाई करेगा. लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 1994 के तहत ओपन कोर्ट में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. The court may reduce the amount awarded by the collector if it considers. The correct answer है equitable. Question number 23. Matter to be considered in awarding compensation are given in the section. इसका correct answer है section 23 पंजाब Land Acquisition Act 1894. Question number 24. The court while determining the amount of compensation shall take into consideration. इसका आंसर है जनाब मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ द लैंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. इन केस ऑफ कंपल्सरी एक्विजिशन ऑफ लैंड कोर्ट शैल अवार्ड अ सम ऑफ. Answer है 15% of the market value. Question number 26. The dispute regarding the appointment may be referred by the collector to the. इसका correct answer है court. इनका अदालत में रेफर किया जाएगा केस को. Question number 27. In case of dispute regarding the title of land, the amount shall be given to the. इसका answer है deposit in court. Question number 28. The collector may be directed to pay interest on excess compensation at the rate of 6% per annum. Question number 29. The penalty for obstructing acquisition of land under section 46 has been fixed as imprisonment for any term not exceeded 1 month or fine not exceeded 50 rupees or both. इनकी कैद भी हो सकती है, फाइन भी हो सकता है या दोनों हो सकती है. Question number 30. An award of an agreement under Punjab Land Acquisition Act 1894 are exempted from stamp duty and fees. Question number 31. No proceeding or suit against any person shall be commenced without giving to such a person 1 month previous notice. Question number 32. An appeal under section 54 shall lie against the order of the court before High Court. Question number 33. Power to make rule for the guidance of officer in all matter under section 55 shall be made by Provincial Government. Question number 34. Matters shall be neglected by the court in determining the compensation under section 24 or degree of urgency or damage caused by a private person or an increase to the value of any other land. Question number 35. Condition precedent for making of the reference under section 18 to the court is an application. Thanks for watching.